Hi, welcome to today's video. Guys, we are still battling with catarrh, cough and fever at home, and this morning both of us are at home, and I made this highly nutritious drink for us to drink, and I'm going to be showing you how exactly I made this drink, and also the things that I used, the type of dates that I used, the type of milk that I used for this particular drink. Guys, when you wake up in the morning, just find a way to drink some smoothies. So every morning is different in this house. And guys, this blender is a saver. If you have money, you spare some money and you are looking for a good blender, this Niger blender is the best. It's so strong and amazing. So guys, these are the things I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using for 2 portions, 1 banana, some dates. It is advisable that you contain 5 pieces of dates in a day. So I'm going to be doing 8 pieces here, because later I'm going to also be drinking. We are going to still be drinking this in the evening or today in between the afternoons, because it is very, very warm now in Germany, and we are still having this flu. And the only thing that goes for us in this house this day is something to drink and drink and drink. And I was at the doctor yesterday. The doctor advised that I drink a lot. And you know how it is, how boring it is to drink water, just water like that. And so we are making a lot of juice, a lot of smoothies to drink these days. You can hear that my voice is very, very bad, but enjoy the video. So guys, when you buy dates, this particular date is from Tunisia. I try to buy from countries where dates are being planted and being harvested, at least very in a place where I can say it is grown organically. Okay guys, this particular date has seed inside. There are a lot of dates in the market. If you want to buy, I advise you buy the one that has seeds inside. So you cut them open and remove the seed so that you don't damage your blender. Guys, if you want to add banana into your smoothie, this is optional. My husband loves banana in his smoothies. That is the reason why I am adding this. Normally, you don't need it. And then you add some milk. Okay, guys, when you go to the market, there are different types of milk in the market. I see a lot of people, they don't understand the difference between milks in the market, especially here in Germany. Guys, there's what is called fresh milk, and there is also another fresh milk. And when you go into the shop to look for milk, there are milk that are put inside the fridge. Those are also fresh milk, but they have been processed. Okay, so those ones are not the one you are supposed to use to make this smoothie. Guys, look at this blender. You can actually on this blender go and do your work, and it stops by itself. It's timed. Okay, it stops by himself. So when you go into the shop, there are milk that are put very close to where the yogurts are stored, and these milk are very, very fresh. They hold between 2 to 3 days, so they are very fresh, very, very fresh. That is what you should use for this smoothie. Okay guys, I have blended it, and I am adding it into this cup for both of us. And one of the things that you should know is that if you don't have a very good blender, it will be very difficult to get this as smooth as this. And if I want to get it smoother as this, more than this, I can also go ahead and keep blending it. But this is okay for us. Buy a very fresh and very good milk. Okay, don't use condensed milk for this. Don't use all those sugared milk, because date contains a lot of sugar. It's very, very sweet. And you can add any fruit of your choice to supplement it. You can add whatever it is that you want to add to it. So this is the final look of it. It is creamy. Guys, when you drink this in the morning, I bet you will never be hungry throughout the day. So this is me. Let me go and serve Odobu to see him. He has just taken his bath, brushed his teeth, and he's waiting for something to drink. This man likes life more than anything. This is enjoyment pro mass for this man. Like anything you put inside the blender and give to him, you see it. He's telling you that he's good. He's very good.